haga jingmi gi jingdawani contractor gi pentre gi project samum naga scheme jal jiban mission JJM ban pelaj no iki bil jongki Nagaliang Marcuise and Marak Menteri Beri Kmi Ikutrat Public Health Engineering ula pentep bahu benai Kyllalyngkot jus na majar penriau anla ban pelaj no iki bil gi basa jongki contractor haba pentep ikani sikila pasai kubor haga no paisi khatnyau trek no pra jobsan Marcuise Marak ula ong bak sarkar India dang hindat sngi kala khot iki chief engineer ne keleng gi jela ban ikran halor kade gamat ula penpau bagi daw gi jumpat pelaj ya kepisa kadai namar badon gi kerum kenram haki wei pat ki jela haba idei bak chimpen treikam ya kani Nolong kata ulong bah jela Meghalaya kam gradep kumba prapulai persen ni but kidan katu kanik junduna ki ban pembej no shen ba kumtaan supply no ka bill chongki contractor hau benai Kyllalyngkot ke balong news pa Klur tungka.
Government of India is not releasing the fund, but however Government of India has called for a meeting day before yesterday. All the chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting, and I was briefed by Chief Engineer today that Government of India will be releasing very soon, but it will be in the month of January because some of the states were having lots of difficulties with the JJM projects and they are told to rectify the problems or issues that they were having. No, work is up to the mark. Everything is online here in Meghalaya. We have completed around 83 plus percentage in Meghalaya. There are some discrepancies which we are rectifying, but I was talking about other states. Other states are having lots of issues and problems, because of which Government of India said that see, you address to those issues and problems and concerns, and after that we will release the fund. So the chief engineers meeting. Chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting and were informed that once it is done, almost every state is complying to the direction of this central government, and then once that is completed, they'll be releasing the fund. That will happen most probably by January 2026. See, whatever completed bills online, I mean MIS, those are already completed, third party inspections and ready for payment. Those are 700 plus in our state. Other states are huge. 700 plus crores in the state of Meghalaya. Not much here. Some of the discrepancies are, some officers will need to take actions against some of the contractors. Those were pending, so we have already directed the concerned officers, or else they'll be taken to task. Some parts of the state, not much, only few, 1-2 projects I think. They will be doing the rectification. They have already assured the rectification part, and once that is done, we will report it back to the Government of India, because they are the one who said you have to take some kind of measures for that.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.